Hi, students of class 5. Last day we have done one revision of chapter 2. Over there we have learnt about what are the two main parts of a computer system, hardware and software. Then we learnt about the different types of software. Among them we have system software, application software. System software, again, it is segregated into operating system, language processor and utility software. Last class we have done system software. What is system software? And below that we have done operating system. What is operating system? And the main function or features of operating system. Till here we have learnt in the last class. Now I will request everyone to open page 21. Today we will start the revision from language processor. Okay, so let's start. Why we need the language processor? The first concept comes, the computer system understands which language? The binary language. That means only the term with 0 and 1 the computer system can understand. Other than this, computer system cannot understand anything. So, we need the language processor. Now, whenever any software is created, it is created in high level language like C, C++, Java, etc. But the computer cannot understand these programs written in C, C++. That means high level language programs computer cannot understand. So, we need to convert this high level language to machine level language so that the computer can understand what we want to make it do. Language processor converts the programs written in high level language into machine level language so that the computer can understand and execute or run the program. What are the different types of language processor? Like we have compilers, we have interpreters and assemblers. These are the types of language processor for converting the high level language to machine level language so that the computer can understand and execute our programs. The concept of language processor is clear now. Now move to page 22. We will start the what is utility softwares. What are the different types of utility softwares? We will do that. Open page 22. Now, utility softwares are certain programs that are helpful in the smooth operation of the computer. Like, if our computer is attacked by virus, it is protected. Whenever we are losing our data for any reason, it protects that data. It make the empty spaces or unused spaces gather and clear. Any long program, large program, make it short and store it in a small place so that less memory is used. This type of work is done by the utility software. Now comes the first utility software, the antivirus software. Sometimes the computers are attacked by the virus program and it may destroy our data and sometimes it may harm the computer hardwares also. So, the antivirus programs are there whenever any virus attack is happened. Antivirus program detect that program, viral program, remove it from our system by scanning it. There are many antivirus software like Kaspersky, Norton, AVJ, etc. In the book, many names are there. You have to learn at least 5 names from there. Okay. Now coming to the backup utility. Whenever we lose any of our data due to any system crash or virus attack, computer tries to prevent it by keeping a backup of our data either in the hard drive or maybe in a CD or pen drive separately, so that whenever system crash happens, we don't lose our data. From the backup, we can use it, we can get back our data and we can work on it. Next comes the compression utility. Whenever a very large program is there in the computer system and we don't have such amount of memory left in the hard disk, what the computer system will do? It will take the help of the compression software, compress the large file into small file for storing, but when we need to use it, it gets back into its original size and make us do the work over there. So the compression software compress it and also decompress it whenever it is needed. Example of compression software are WinZip and 7-Zip. Learn the two names very carefully along with the definition. Last comes the disk defragmenter. Whenever a large amount of files are scattered in the hard disk here and there, and some files are also linked with each other, what the computer system will do? The computer system, with the help of disk defragmenter, arrange those files. Those who are linked, make them keep one after another, and whenever they are not linked, simply they are kept together in one place, so that the free spaces in between the files get gathered in one side of the hard disk, at one end of the hard disk. One side used space, another side free space. This helps in increasing the speed of the computer. Whenever a lot of memory is free, computer will work very fast. It will store data very fast. This is the usefulness of disk defragmenter. So today's class we will do till here. What we have learned today, let us recap once. What is language processor? What are the different language processors? What is the purpose of language processor we have done? What is utility software we have done? What are the different utility softwares also we have learned? Antivirus software, backup software, compression software, disk defragmenter software. These are all the utility softwares that we have revised today. So till page number 23, disk defragmenter, please read the chapter thoroughly. It is very important and small things are there. So read the chapter line by line, and in the next video or class I will continue with the next part of revision. But if you have any query regarding any part of the chapter, please write in the comment box. I will immediately reply you back. Okay? Stay at home, do your work. Bye bye.